Sometimes you want to manifest a certain thing, you want to bring a certain thing into existence in your physical reality, and yet you're not seeing the results you want to experience. And it's very probable that these three common manifestation blocks I'm about to share with you are preventing you from getting your manifestation and from bringing your manifestation to existence in this physical reality. And these blocks are not difficult to release, and once you release them and once you let go of them, you just start to manifest everything smoother and quicker, and the entire process just becomes much more seamless because you're not preventing your manifestation from coming into fruition, because at the end of the day, everything always starts inside you. And yes, that's true that you have a possibility to prevent your own manifestation from coming into fruition, and it certainly doesn't have to be that way. So the first common manifestation block is simply that your energy is in opposition to the thing you want to manifest. And what does it mean? I mean, you're an energetic being. You have your own energy field. Everything is energy in this universe. And when you're manifesting something, you're just playing with energy. You're just using your own energy to create something in your reality. And that's why you have to become aware of your energy in the present moment, of your frequency of a vibration. Because if your vibration is low, if your frequency is low, and you want to attract and manifest the thing that it's on a much higher frequency than your current frequency, it's gonna create some problems, because in order to manifest the thing you want to manifest, you have to merge with its energy. You have to embody it on an energetic level. So let's say you try to manifest a specific amount of money. So you use all of the money manifestation techniques, you repeat your affirmations, you do vision boards, you do your visualizations, you create a new self-concept around money, whatever you use, you just do your techniques and you still don't see the results. But my question is, do you feel like an abundant person? Because in order to attract abundance, you have to become abundant. So do you feel like an abundant person? Do you actually feel like you have this money? Because if you try to manifest money, but in your energy, you have all of this like lack energy, like there's never enough money, you don't deserve money. And if you really have these beliefs, they're gonna affect your entire reality. So if you're trying to manifest something, always ask yourself whether your energy and your belief system are in alignment with the thing you're trying to manifest. Because if they're not, you have to start working on these things and resolving these things. You have to become abundance to attract abundance. So the moment you start feeling like an abundant person, all your manifestations will just come to you quicker. All this money will just come to you quicker, because you are not preventing the manifestation from happening with your own energy. The same thing with manifesting love. Let's say you want to manifest love and you do all of the techniques connected with your manifestation, and you still don't experience any results in your physical reality. And why is that? Okay, you're trying to manifest love, but are you love? Deep inside you, on the vibrational energetic level, are you love? Or are you just like upholding the beliefs, I am not worthy of love, I don't deserve love, I don't deserve to experience a loving relationship? If you have this kind of hidden beliefs, then they're gonna impact your entire energy field. So always when you're manifesting, yes, use your manifestation techniques, but also work on yourself, work on your energy, work on your belief system. So this thing is not gonna prevent you from manifest what you want to manifest. The second very common manifestation block is simply about trying to control the how. And what do I mean by that? The universe always knows the quickest, the most aligned, and the most unexpected, and the most seamless way to give you your desire. And very often when you try to manifest something specific, you just have kind of like this like tunnel vision, when you just feel like, oh, this thing can come to me only in this one way, from this one source, from this one person, and just expect it to come only from this one source, from this one person, from this one possibility. And the universe sees infinite possibilities. So when you focus on the how and when you try to control the how, you basically don't give the universe the room to work. You don't give the universe the room to bring you your desire, because you're trying to control the outcome. You're just trying to make sure that this thing will come to you only from this one source, and it doesn't have to come from this source. It doesn't have to come to you from the person you expect it will come to you from. It doesn't have to come to you from the place you expect it to come from. It doesn't have to come to you in a way you expect it to come, because it's gonna come in the most happy, most abundant, most aligned way. But in order to receive it in that way, you have to actually let go of the control. You need to become open to the infinite possibilities of the universe, because the universe will bring you a desire the moment you stop controlling the how. How is not your job in the manifestation process. You just show the universe what you want. You merge with the energy you want to become. You embody your manifestation at vibrational level. You assume the state of the wish fulfilled. And that's it. That's your job. And how it will come to you is not your job. So stop controlling the how. Stop wondering how it will come to you. You don't have to know this. You don't have to know this. Allow the universe to work, and your manifestation will come to you the most magical, aligned way. The third very common manifestation block is simply about you not believing that you will get your manifestation, and also about you thinking that you don't deserve your manifestation. Because wanting your manifestation is a one thing, but do you actually believe you can get it? Do you actually have this strong subconscious belief that of course it's possible, of course manifestation works, of course you're gonna get your desire? Or are you full of just doubts and question marks, and you constantly keep asking yourself, is this entire manifestation thing like even true? Like, why am I even doing this? Why do I even bother to do this? If you're full of doubts, then these doubts are going to affect your entire reality. So when you send out doubts, the universe will mirror back this energy, and essentially will get just mixed energy, and you won't get your manifestation. And same thing if you don't feel like you deserve your manifestation. Like, why would you get something you don't think it's for you? Why would you get something that you don't think you deserve to get? If you feel like you don't deserve this manifestation, then the universe, again, is going to mirror this energy, and the universe is going to be like, okay, you feel like you don't deserve it, therefore you shouldn't have it. So work on just believing that your manifestation is possible, that it's very easy to manifest. Start repeating to yourself, it's easy to manifest. I always get anything I want. I am the creator of my reality. Of course manifestation works. Of course manifestation works for me every time. I am the master creator. I always get all of my desires manifested in my physical reality. These strong beliefs will replace these doubts. And when you fill your mind with such strong beliefs, you will stop creating all of this resistance, and you will allow the universe to give you your manifestation, and start repeating to yourself that you deserve all the best. You deserve your manifestation. You deserve everything you want. Of course you deserve it. You're an amazing person. You want this manifestation because deep inside you, you know that it's a part of your birthright, that it's a part of who you are. And whatever it is you want to manifest, you do deserve it. You just have to convince yourself that you do deserve it. And this is sometimes the hard part, because if your past beliefs were all about you undermining yourself and undermining your self-worth, then it's time to shift them. It's time to shift them because they are not serving you in any way. Why would you repeat to yourself that you're not worthy of something? Why wouldn't you repeat the opposite, that you deserve everything you want because you're an amazing person? You just start repeating to yourself this type of statements, like, this is not selfish. Like, you deserve to be your best friend, and you deserve your manifestation, so convince yourself that you deserve your manifestation. Addressing these 3 common manifestation blocks will really help you boost your entire energy and boost your entire manifesting power. Because if you work on your energy, and if you work on your belief system, and if you allow the universe to work, and you stop creating resistance, and you just start expecting miracles, then miracles will appear in your reality, because at the end of the day, reality is your mirror. Reality is your reflection. So if you work on yourself, and if you try to level up yourself, and if you try to better yourself, then of course your reality is going to reflect that, and your manifestations will come to you much more easily. So it's all about understanding yourself, and understanding how your mind and energy works, and understanding how powerful you are, and understanding that yes, you are really the creator of your reality, and you have so much power over your reality. You really can manifest anything you want. And just releasing these blocks is just a part of the shadow work process, to be honest, and your personal development journey. So start expecting the best. Release all of these doubts and fears. Release the feeling of unworthiness, and watch how your manifestation comes to you quicker than ever, because your own energy is not preventing your manifestation from happening. Your own state of being is not preventing your manifestation from happening. So I hope this was helpful. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.